Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is "The Moment Police Tell Speeder Her Car is Getting Towed." Man, nobody don't want to go through that, man, but hey, you was speeding. Let's go.
On March 13, 2024, an officer pulled over a driver for speeding and whose license had been suspended.
Hey Clea, what's going on with your license? You gotta get it fixed? So you know it's suspended? Do you have somebody that can come pick you up?
Yeah.
Alright, can you give them a call and have them come here? Because you can't be driving. Huh? You're just gonna walk home?
Gotta do what I gotta do.
Well, hold on, you're not... Kalia, you can't leave yet. I still gotta give you all your, your ticket and everything.
Yeah.
Alright? So just go ahead and hang out here and...
That's a little odd,
53
isn't
to
it?
15. Do you have a unit tonight?
She was just gonna leave her car like that?
10-4. If you can start them this way. She's already out of the vehicle and very emotional. She may take off.
How fast was she going?
She's going 47. But she doesn't have a license. Her license got taken away from her because she's suspended. The tag's expired.
Okay. I think we're gonna tow the car then?
It's not in the roadway.
Well, my concern is that she's probably gonna hop back in and drive away. So, hey, hi.
Are y'all okay? I'll get in my car. I don't know what's going on in Wide Street people's way.
I'm Sergeant Brown. My officer called me here because I guess you were upset.
It's good. I'm getting a ticket.
Okay. Do you have somebody to pick you up in your car?
She's back there.
Okay. Is she gonna drive the car too?
No.
Okay. Are you gonna have somebody take the car?
What is she doing?
Okay.
Like, yeah, she's too all over the place. Tow it.
What's that? That's not too bad. It's growing on me. Okay.
Yo.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Hey, is somebody gonna help her like get the car and stuff like that?
It's my car. It's my car. He asked me. It's my car too. Don't tell him nothing about my car.
I don't understand why she's being rude. Here's what happened.
I told you my car is gonna get taken care of.
Okay, that's cool. Thank you. Let's chill out with the attitude. Thank you. Then you can stay over there. Thank you. So, I guess what happened was my officer called me because I guess she was upset.
It's me. It's not him. Okay, you're not my mother. I'm not a child.
Can I talk?
Thank you.
You want to know if somebody's coming to get the car?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, somebody's going to come get the car.
Okay.
Somebody's going to come get the car.
Okay, that's all I wanted to know because I don't want to tow it because it's more money for
You're not
her.
gonna tow it. It's good.
Oh, I understand the process.
Yeah.
Somebody's going to come get the car. We'll live all around. We're going to get the car.
Okay, I appreciate you, ma'am. That's all I needed to know. I don't know. I just got here like a minute ago, and I got everything.
If I was the officer or the sergeant, nope. I'm not giving no courtesies. Nope, you got an attitude problem. You're in the wrong and you got an attitude problem with me, and I'm trying to save you money by not getting it towed. It don't cost me nothing to call up the tow truck. Boom. You know what I mean? Like, come on now. You got your little scrubs on, you probably a CNA or something, regular shit, you know what I mean? But it's like, listen, you keep giving attitude like I'm being a bother to you or something, like I'm inconveniencing you. I'm gonna show you inconvenience, all right?
You're asking her.
I know the process. We're going to get the car.
Yeah, and the reason like I tried talking to her, she was being rude, so that's why.
I'll have my mom
She's
come
my
help
sister
me.
and I'm grown as
Okay, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
So So can I take her? Can we go or?
Not just yet. He's printing out the paperwork and stuff. So yeah.
Can you come help me get Leah a car from by the lake?
Yeah, what did you come? Just to let her know to come get it. That's it. Chill.
Hey, is there anything else?
Tia, we're here.
No, I just need a person with a valid license, and then
She didn't let me know what happened. I rushed out the house without my purse.
Like,
Can I go? You want me to go home and get it?
Yeah,
but I don't.
Leah, can you chill? No, because I'm grown as f. Don't talk to him about me. I'm grown as f.
Asking me about my ID.
Questions about your car. Leah. That's when you answer the fuck. I'm going out of
Okay,
here.
what is it, Leah?
So-
Like you doing a lot.
I don't give a
all I need is like once she gets her citation, stuff like that. Whoever's gonna drive the car, I just need someone with a valid ID.
She's not. She lives cities over. Leah, he's asking me a question. He's not asking about that. What is wrong with
he
you?
needs a valid ID for whoever's going to come get the car.
Exactly, and I'm telling him. So I'm telling him. What is it you want?
Just,
what else?
just a valid driver. Yeah, I know. Not about you. I understand because you had to come.
What do you want?
Just whoever's gonna come get the car.
Yeah, no.
Okay, yeah. We're gonna wait until they get here.
We're good.
Once she gets her citation,
Yeah, I'm gonna explain it.
I'm good. I know how to read.
Well, there's
Well, when you're done explaining, I'll...
what's up?
Yeah, she's done,
roll the
bro.
window up. So
I have to sign it?
yes.
Okay, let's sign it.
Okay. So
Well, I know how to sign. I know where to sign it. Show me where I sign it. I know
all
how
right.
to read it.
Well, I have to explain it to you.
Okay.
You have a court date.
Words.
Okay, you have a court date on the 2nd
Cool.
of April at 8 in the morning. If you don't sign up, if you don't show up, a warrant will be.
I'll call him or tell him something.
Okay. You need to sign on the X.
Thank you. Thank you. We'll be back to get that.
Okay.
You know what? We're just gonna tow the car.
Hey, you guys can get your car from the tow truck. It's coming. It's coming. No, it's on the side of the road.
Go get your license. And y'all literally, I don't give a what's wrong with y'all?
Don't. Do not. Get back. Stop.
What are y'all talking about?
Stop.
What the f is wrong with y'all?
Stop. Get out of the road.
Get out of the road. We're done. We're done.
Yeah. Whoa, my God. Y'all are not doing
Good job,
Your
boy.
attitude is off the chain.
What the? Y'all,
Good job.
I have shit to lose. Are y'all crazy? What am I getting taken for?
You gonna learn
Your
today.
attitude
You gonna
needs
act
to
right.
Calm down. Okay? You gonna calm down? You gonna calm down?
Yeah. Dude, like, what is y'all police got too much authority. That's crazy, dude. Like, I graduated in literally 4 weeks. Get my nursing license in literally 4 weeks. Bro, that's crazy. Bro, that's crazy. I got way
Useless
too much.
15. He's 10-4.
Bro, that's crazy, bro.
Are you going to listen
Bro,
now?
no,
I wouldn't want her helping me if I went to the hospital or something. But she got too much of a. Oh yeah, she got too much attitude for me. Oh yeah, nah, boy. You gotta be, soft, caring, considerate. Oh no, yeah.
what?
We're gonna wait a minute.
Bro,
Give me your
what?
phone. Give me your phone.
Yo, what? I never been to jail, arrested, or nothing. Bro, y'all not
Ma'am.
my parents.
Ma'am.
Bro, y'all can't. Y'all
Are you going to listen?
Of course, yeah.
Please listen, okay? I don't know what your attitude problem is today, but
Nothing.
listen, just listen, okay? We were willing to work with you, okay? But you are just off the chain, okay? You need to calm down.
I'm good. I'm calm. I just told you I'm calm. I'm gonna
Okay.
cooperate.
What is the attitude?
Nothing.
Nobody was rude to you.
Nothing. I'm
Nobody
good. I just
nobody
said I'm
cursed
calm.
at you.
Okay.
Okay, we're trying to talk to you,
We're
but you're being very rude.
We're good. You're my friend. We're good.
So what is the problem?
Nothing.
Okay. So here's the deal. We're gonna tow your car
Why are you towing my car?
because it's on the side of the road. It's on private
Did
property.
she just tell you my mother was literally coming up here? Y'all asked for validation. She told you my mother was coming. Y'all didn't like the way I talked to y'all, so now it's tow truck.
And now you're gonna face a resisting charge, all because of your attitude.
How am I facing a resisting charge? And I'm literally.
It's called not listening.
This is crazy. I cannot believe this is happening because some police officers don't like how I'm talking. How do y'all think I'm gonna feel? How do y'all think people have other stuff going on in their life? Nothing. I don't have nothing against y'all. I don't know y'all. Y'all are pulling me over. I have other stuff going on in my life.
If you were being pulled over for speeding.
Because I'm speeding. Okay, that's I never got mad at him. I don't know why he called y'all. I was frustrated. He told me I never got out of my car until he told me I needed someone to come pick me up. So I said, I'll start walking. He said, well, you need to wait because I have to give you your ticket and everything. So I just sat down there and I waited. My car is hot. My air doesn't work. I'm not understanding why he called y'all. I never resisted. When he told me I was getting a ticket, when he told me I was speeding, I never once said I'm not speeding. I understand. If I'm speeding, I'm speeding. What can I do about that?
Okay, number two, he's trying to explain the citation.
Okay, go ahead. I understand. Go ahead.
Okay.
It's too late now.
Okay, well,
He was trying to explain it to you, and you're still being rude and not listening.
I'm listening.
And then we're
Just
telling
like
you
y'all
not.
want me to be like a child and say yes sir, yes sir.
No.
I'm angry. I have other stuff going on in my life. I just came home from school. Okay, I get a ticket.
All right.
Cool.
Put your license, please.
What is wrong? What are you wanting me to say here? Yes sir. Like, what are you wanting me to say? I just want my twin sister to come back so bad. Like, this is crazy. This is so.
We'll search her at the jail.
We'll search her.
I'm not doing this. Hopefully I didn't scratch your hood when I tossed my clipboard up there.
Which hood?
Yours.
Aw.
I said, we're not doing this, and I threw my clipboard up there.
Lord, I beg you,
Okay.
my sister back, Lord.
So she's 10:15? Okay, do you want me to speed it?
Yeah,
Search
she's-
her?
Might as well stop. She's already kicking the partition.
Okay, can I get the glove?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.